So, for a self-realized person, the compassion should be like of very generous nature. If you are not generous, if you are miserly, always worried about your money and saving of it, then firstly, you are not a matured surgeon. You are not. Apart from that, this kind of money will never give you any happiness. Miserliness is against spirit. Spirit is extremely generous. Extremely generous. It never tries to save something or cheat people or steal something. Is out of question because there is no greed left in. There is no greed at all. And that is why such a person who is a realized soul cannot be greedy. Has to be extremely generous. I've seen many people like that who have been extremely generous and who have been very understanding about the problems of others. While a Sahajogi will have his own problems, he is not a Sahajogi at all. He is there to solve the problems of others and not to solve his own problems and go about talking about this is the problem I have. Now this is a new word that has developed in modern times. They never used to use the word problem before, I tell you. Only for geometry we use this word problem. But now it has started with there's no problem. They're all in a problem. Actually, they are problems, I think. So, what you have to do is to understand that you should not give your problems to others. You should not ask for anything. Please do this for me, please do that for me. It's very surprising that people try to sort of take advantage of others. Now, some people like to visit some countries, so they will ask, please call me, I would love to come to your country. And a generous surgeon will say, all right, come along. Now, who is failing here is the person who asked. You shouldn't ask for anything whatsoever because you are complete. Not that only you are satisfied, but a complete, what can anybody give you? All desires just disappear when you are in complete shape. Like today I was coming, I saw lots of stars that come out. I said, as soon as the moon will come, they'll all disappear. In the same way, when you are complete, you do not expect anybody to do anything for you. On the contrary, you want to find out what you can do for others. You become the others in a way that whatever is the problem of others, you take upon your head. You jump into it. It's a very, very interesting growth that should come in you. It should happen to all of you because you have got your self-realization. You develop a kind of a personality which only lives for others, not for oneself. You'll be amazed. You can live anywhere. You can sleep anywhere. You can have food, you need not have food, whatever type of food you get, it's all right. Because you are so satisfied. On the contrary, you'd like to cook for others, give them food, do whatever possible, you try to do as long as you can work it out, you do it. But there are people who have only their own problems. They are not Sahajogis. How can the spirit have problems? How can that happen? So just understand that you are now the spirit. And beyond everything. So your creativity also goes to other dimensions. Of course, you start giving realization to people. You create art.